XRP price risk skewed to the downside. XRP price has formed a symmetrical triangle on the daily chart, as Ripple continues to consolidate. Although the prevailing chart pattern confuses forecasts, the token could be at the edge of a 48% plunge toward 38 cents. If XRP price slices below the lower boundary of the governing technical pattern at 72 cents that acts as crucial support, the aforementioned bearish target given by the prevailing chart pattern could be in the offing. The first line of defense for XRP price following a break below 72 cents is at the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level at 68 cents, then at the July 28 low at 63 cents, coinciding with the multi-month support trend line. If selling pressure continues to increase, XRP price may drop toward the June 26 low at 58 cents, then to the June 23 low at 52 cents. Ripple may be able to find reliable support at the 127.2% Fibonacci retracement level at 48 cents before the bears attempt to reach the pessimistic target. However, if the bulls manage to reverse the period of underperformance, Ripple will meet immediate resistance at the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level at 75 cents. Additional headwinds may emerge at the 21-day simple moving average, SMA, at 78 cents, then at the 50-day SMA at 83 cents. Bigger aspirations will target the upper boundary of the symmetrical triangle pattern at 90 cents. Investors should note that a break above the topside trend line of the prevailing chart pattern could release a 48% climb for XRP price. If buying pressure continues to rise, Ripple would encounter obstacles at 96 cents, where the 100-day SMA and 200-day SMA intersect.